जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Okay, class, can you hear me? Turn on your cameras and okay, good. How are you, bete? How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Hafsa, can you hear me? Raise your hand, beta. Hafsa, just raise your hand. Hafsa, can you hear me, bete? Raise your hand if you can hear me. Okay, ji. Now we are going to start Unit 2, Lesson 5. Today we are going to start Lesson 5, which is on page number 11. And we are going to read the second part of the Three Little Goats. So it's part 2 on page number 11. Okay. And who is going to start reading? Umayma Shaukat, can you start reading? Hafsa Babar, can you start reading? Unmute your mic and start reading, bete. Hafsa. It's on page number 11. The Three Little Goats, part 2. Ji Hafsa. Hafsa, are you ready, bete?
Yes.
Okay, better start reading.
Where did the world start? Exclaimed. Where did it finish? The three little goats heard the wolf climb inside to top of the chimney. Chimney.
Yes.
They were afraid. Oh no, the wolf is coming down the chimney. They shouted together, quick, said Tiny Holmes, put more sticks on the fire. It will be too hot for Wolfie. But the wolf continued to climb down the chimney. Quick, said Shorthorns, put some wet leaves on the fire. It will be too smoky for Wolfie. But the wolf continued to climb down the chimney. Quick, said Longhorns, put more sticks on the fire, move the pan of hot water over the flames. The water will be too hot for Wolfie. Soon they could see the wolf's tail above the fireplace. Quick, said Tiny Horns. Pull, so they pulled the wolf's tail, and the wolf fell into the pot of boiling water. Short horns hit the wolf on the head with a bag into the pot of boiling water. Short horns hit the wolf. Iron spoon longhorns put the lid on the pot, and Tiny Horns put a heavy stone on the lid. That was the end of the big bad wolf.
Very good. Good reading, Hafsa. Very good. Excellent work. Okay. Two questions are given on the right in the beginning of the story, and the questions are: where did the wolf start its climb? And question number 2 is: where did it finish? So these are for the oral and conversation or oral discussion only. So what do you think? The wolf, where did the wolf start its climb? The wolf started its climb from the chimney. Yes, the wolf started climbing from the chimney, and where did it finish? The answer to this question is it finished into the pot of boiling hot water. Okay, so I'm going to read the story again and I'll explain the story to you again. Okay, okay, Ji. The three little goats heard. What is the meaning of heard? And circle the word heard. It is the past tense of hear. It means to listen or to hear. Okay, heard. It's the past tense of hear. So it means to hear or to listen. So the three little goats heard the wolf climb inside the top of the chimney. Circle the word chimney. What is a chimney? I told you in a previous lesson. We discussed chimney in our previous lesson. What is a chimney? We built chimney at the top of the house to let the smoke go out of the house. Okay, so chimney let the smoke out of the house. It do not let the smoke gather in the house. Okay, so we use chimney for this purpose. They were afraid. What is the meaning of afraid? Circle this word afraid. It means to get scared or to get frightened. Afraid. And what are they saying? These are the speech marks. You can see that the speech mark started. Oh no! What is this? This is called exclamation mark. It means that they are feeling. Who is feeling strong? The three little goats are feeling strong and they are shocked or they are afraid. Okay, as you can see that we discussed earlier, they were afraid. So they were afraid and they were shocked. So that's why we have used this exclamation mark here. Okay, the speech mark started. Who is saying this sentence? This is the sentence said by three little goats. Okay, and what are they saying? Oh no, the wolf is coming down the chimney. You can see there's an exclamation mark again in the second sentence that they uttered or they said, and the speech mark closed now. Okay, so what are the wolves? What are the goats saying? They say, oh no, the wolf is coming down the chimney. They shouted together. All the three little goats shouted together. Oh no, the wolf is coming down the chimney. And there's an exclamation mark at the end of both sentences. It means that they are very, very, very scared. Okay. Okay, next word is quick. So here they gather some strength and they said this exclamation mark here again. So it means that they are feeling strongly about it, that be quick, move fast, and Who said this? Who said this? Tiny Hans said Tiny Hans. So you can see the speech mark started here before quick and here it's ending. It means that who said this? Tiny Hans said quick. And this is the second sentence that Tiny Hans said. Put more sticks on the fire. It will be too hot for Wolfie. Exclamation marks closed. Here, this is a contraction. It is the short form of it will. So we will read it. It will. Okay. Put more sticks on the fire. Full stop. It will be too hot for Wolfie. Means that they are saying that please, the fire in the fireplace, please put more sticks on the fire, and so when the sticks will put more sticks on in the fire will be more hotter and stronger. The flames will be more stronger and they'll go high in the chimney. So it will be too hot for the Wolfie. It will be too hot for the Wolfie. But the wolf continued to climb down the chimney. Oh, but the fire or the flames, high flames, did not or could not stop the wolf from coming down the chimney or climbing down the chimney. So the wolf continued to climb down the chimney. Okay, the next paragraph. Quick, said Shorthorns. So quick, Shorthorn said, quick, put some wet leaves on the fire. It will be too smoky for Wolfie. Okay, so what is Shorthorn saying now? He's saying, put some more leaves or wet leaves on the fire. It will be too smoky for Wolfie. So why we are putting wet leaves? Because wet leaves will release more smoke when we put them in the fire. They release more smoke. So the chimney will be more smoky. They thought that the chimney will be more smoky for the Wolfie, and the wolf will obviously stop climbing down, and the wolf will go towards up the chimney. But the Wolfie continued to climb down the chimney. Means the smoke of wet leaves didn't or couldn't stop the Wolfie from coming down the chimney. Okay, now the next strategy number 3. First, they use more sticks. They put more sticks on the fire to make it more warm. And secondly, they put some wet leaves on the fire to make the chimney more smokier. And thirdly, the third strategy now we are using is, who is saying this? Quick, said Longhorns. You can see the exclamation mark here. They are feeling strongly that they think that we must be very, very quick now because the wolf is coming down to eat us. So they are saying, quick, said Longhorns, put more sticks on the fire, move the pan of hot water over the flames. The water will be too hot for Wolfie. So the Longhorns now is saying that put more sticks on the fire and to enhance the fire flames, and move after that move the pan of hot water over the flames now, so that the hot water will be, if the hot water will be there, it will be too hot for the Wolfie. If the wolf will fall into the water, then it will be very dangerous for the Wolfie. Soon they could see the wolf's tail above the fireplace. It's wolf tail. This is apostrophe possessive apostrophe comma and s. It means that the tail belongs to the wolf. The tail belongs to the wolf. It's wolf's tail, okay, above the fireplace. This is the fireplace you can see in the picture, and it has lots of sticks and the fire flames, and on the top of the fire flames they have the fire pot. Oh, sorry, hot water pot. Okay, 10. Okay, G. So you can also see the wolf's tail above the hot water or fireplace. Okay. So quick, said Tiny Hans, pull. So they all pulled the wolf's tail and the wolf fell into the pot of boiling water. Oh my God. So the tiny horns, short horns and long horns, they all pulled the wolf's tail and the wolf fell into the pot of boiling water. Oh my God. Short horns hit the wolf on the head. Oh my God. Short horn hit the wolf on the head with a big iron spoon. Long horns put the lid on the pot. It means that the wolf is all in the pot and they put the lid. What is the meaning of lid? Underline or circle the word lid. It means the cover of that pot. Okay, the cover of the pot. So they covered the pot using the lid or that cover of the pot, and Tiny Hans put a heavy stone on the lid. So they put the heavy stone on the lid. Why? So that the wolf could not escape, wolf could not run. Okay. So he could not run because they already hit the wolf on the head very strongly with a big iron stone, and they made the wolf faint. Okay, the wolf is fainted, and the long horns put the lid on the pot. The wolf is in the hot boiling water, and they put the heavy stone on the lid. That was the end of the big bad wolf. Okay, so are they preparing wolf soup for themselves? What do you think about it? Are they preparing wolf soup? Are they going to enjoy that soup or not? What do you think, Hafsa? Hafsa, what do you think? Unmute your mic, beta. What do you think, Hafsa? Are they preparing wolf soup? Isn't it funny? Is this story funny? Are you enjoying the story? Okay, have you read this story earlier before? Did you read this story earlier or not? No or yes? No. Okay. So you are enjoying the story, right? Good. Okay, Ji. So this was the end of the wolf. The wolf was in the pot, in the hot boiling water, and he had injury on the head, or maybe he's dead, and they put the heavy stone, Tiny Hans put the heavy stone on the lid, and that was the end of the big bad wolf, right? Okay. Now we are going to do exercise 2. This was exercise 1, reading passage. Now we are going to solve exercise 2, which is, are these sentences true or false? Example, the wolf was too big to climb down the chimney. It is a false statement because the wolf was already climbing down the chimney, and the wolf wasn't too big to climb down the chimney, right? Because the wolf was coming down, so it means the wolf was not too big to climb down the chimney, right? Okay, Ji. Statement number 1 is, hold your pencil in your hand and start writing. I mean, you have to just mark F or T. Okay. Number 1, the goats made the fire and the water hotter. This is the true statement or the false statement. Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Subhan, can you tell me? Unmute your mic, Subhan, and tell me.
Yeah,
Bete, tell me the statement number 1. The goats made the fire and the water hotter. Is it a true statement or a false statement? What do you think, Beta?
True stadium. True.
True statement. Very good. So write T for it. First statement, number 1 sentence is true. So write true at the end of this sentence. Okay. Number 1. Very good, Subhan.
पीछे बुक कौन सी है? ये मोगली है ये बुक.
Beta, do you have the book? Have you opened the book? It is Oxford Progressive English New Book of your class 3, the textbook. Do you have that? If you have that, show me in the camera. No, beta. Please move it up towards.
मेरे पास नहीं है, मेरे पास नहीं है.
Why, beta? You have to buy one. Okay, I am going to share the main cover page picture on your WhatsApp number. Okay, I will share the picture. Okay, and you have to buy it. Okay, Subhan?
Okay.
Fine. Okay, good boy. Okay, Ji. So, Hafsa, you have to tell me the answer of the second statement. Hafsa? The wet leaves on the fire made the chimney very smoky. Is it true or false? What do you think, Hafsa?
True.
Very good, beta. It's true. So write T for it. Okay. Statement number 2 is also true. Very good. And what about 3, Hafsa? Statement number 3. The goat saw the wolf's head appear in the fireplace.
False.
False. Very good. What did they see? The wolf's tail or head? Which part of the wolf? Yes, very good. The tail appeared first. So this is a false statement. The goats, statement number 3, the goats saw the wolf's head appear in the fireplace. It's a false statement. So write F for it. And the last statement is the wolf escaped from the pot. It's a false statement. It's do you think the wolf escaped from the pot? Escape mean to run away.
Yes.
No, no. The wolf did not escape from the pot. He was in the pot because short horns hit the wolf on the head and long horns put the lid on the pot, and tiny horns put a heavy stone on the lid. So do you think that the wolf escaped or ran away from there? No, he couldn't. So the wolf was inside the hot boiling water. He was boiling with the water. Okay. So the statement number 4 is false. Okay. So statement number 1 is true. Statement number 2 is true. Statement number 3 is false. And statement number 4 is false. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to do exercise 3. Exercise 3, and for exercise 3 we are going to use your own words to complete these sentences. So you have to draw the line, a longer line for statement number 1. Okay, draw a long line, use the scale and draw a long line to write the answer. Okay, Hafsa and Subhan? Okay, Subhan, you don't have the book. Okay, Ji. Number 1 sentence is, the third house didn't fall down because dash. Okay, so here you have to write your answer. Make it longer. Make this blank longer by using the scale. Okay, and what you will write? Let me read the sentence again. First sentence, the third house did not fall down because, so you have to write here, it was strongly built, or it was built with bricks. Okay, it was built with bricks, or it was strongly built by using the bricks. So you can write after because it was built with bricks. Okay, so the third house was made of bricks, so that's why it did not fall down. Okay, number 2 statement is, the wolf couldn't dash, so he climbed down the chimney. The wolf couldn't, so you have to write in the blank, blow down the house. Blow, B-L-O-W, blow, D-O-W, and down the house. Blow down the house. You have to write it in the blank. Blow down the house. And the next sentence is, so he climbed down the chimney. The wolf couldn't blow down the house, so he climbed down the chimney. Okay. Statement number 3 is the goats tried to make the fire hotter, so they dash. Okay, here what did they do? The goats tried to make the fire hotter, so you have to draw a line here to make this blank longer, and you have to write put more, more, more sticks, sticks, sticks on the fire. Okay. I'm repeating it. Sentence number 3, the goats tried to make the fire hotter, so they put more sticks on the fire. In the blank, you are going to write put more sticks on the fire. Okay, statement number 4, the goats tried to make the chimney smoky, so you have to draw the line here again to make it longer, to make your blank longer. Okay, and what you are going to write here, statement number 4, I'm going to repeat it again. The goats tried to make the chimney smoky, so they you have to write put in the blank, put some, put some, some wet, wet leaves, leaves, leaves on the fire. Okay, so you are writing put some wet leaves on the fire. You are going to write this in the blank, put some wet leaves on the fire. This is the answer of sentence 4. Okay, so the complete sentence would be, I'm repeating it again, the goats tried to make the chimney smoky, so they put some wet leaves on the fire. Okay. Number 5 sentence is the goats pulled the wolf down by its tail and dashed the pot. So what happened when they pulled the wolf down by its tail? In the blank, you are going to write, the wolf fell into. After and, you will write the THE, the WOLF, wolf, FELL, fell, into, INTO2. So, I'm going to repeat the sentence 5, complete sentence. The goats pulled the wolf down by its tail and the wolf fell into the pot. Okay. So, here you have to write the wolf fell into. And the pot is already written here. Statement number 6. The goats dash, so the wolf could not escape. The goats dash, so the wolf could not escape. Escape means to run away. So what did the goats do so that the wolf could not escape? The goats hit on wolf's head. Goats hit, because we cannot write here the goats first hit on wolf's head and then they put the lid on the water and then they put a heavy stone on the lid, because there we have written, we can see that there are goats. Okay, what the all 3 goats did with the wolf, we cannot write, it will be so long, so we just need to write here the goats hit on wolf's head, so the wolf could not escape. Okay, so write HIT, hit, ON, on, WOLF, wolf, apostrophe comma S, HEAD, head. The goats hit on wolf's head, so the wolf could not escape. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again for you, bete. Number 1 statement is that the third house did not fall down because it was built with bricks. The second sentence, complete sentence would be, the wolf couldn't blow down the house, so he climbed down the chimney. Okay. The third statement is, the goats tried to make the fire hotter, so they put more sticks on the fire. Number 4, the goats tried to make the chimney smoky, so they put some wet leaves on the fire. Number 5 sentence is, the goats pulled the wolf down by its tail and the wolf fell into the pot. And number 6, the last statement is, the goats hit on wolf's head so the wolf could not escape. Okay, so this is it. We have finished our second unit number 2, and we discussed in this unit, we discussed building materials, wood, stone, steel, glass, plastic, and bricks. And we also read this dialogue on page, which is on page number 6. That was about between Mr. and Mrs. Burkey. Mr. Burkey was in Nepal and he is there to build a bridge, and Mrs. Burkey is in Karachi. And then we answered the questions which are given on page 6. So you have to write them on your English notebook. And then we also did exercise 3, which was on page number 6, right? And then let me show you the page. This was the dialogue between Mr. and Mrs. Burkey. It was unit 2, and there were the question answers. We did them, question answers, and then there was again a dialogue between Nadia and her library teacher. That was given on page number 110. You can go on page number 110 and you can read the dialogue. And after that, we discussed the building material, that is wood. The building materials are wood, stone, steel, glass, bricks, and plastic. Then we solved this exercise, and then we solved this word search puzzle. We figured out, or we searched the ICK, OCK, and ACK words from this word search puzzle. We wrote them here in different 3 columns, and we circle the words here after searching them. Okay, after that we did page number 8. On page number 8 there was a story, part 1, the 3 little goats, and we discussed the story. That was about 3 goats. Their names were tiny horns, short horns, and long horns. Okay, so we discussed that story as well, and we read that story. They made 3 type of houses, if you remember, right? After that, this is the next part of that story. There's a brick house that they built, and the question answers, and then the fill in the blanks exercise. And then page number 10. On page number 10, we discussed the conjunctions, and the conjunctions we discussed on this page were because, but, and so. We just in exercise 1, we just joined the first starter of the sentences with the ending of the sentences, and in exercise 2 we used so and because conjunctions to make 2 short sentences into 1 long sentence using the conjunctions or connectors. And then we punctuated this passage yesterday, and we also use the conjunction words, and we also write the capital letters, and we also put the full stops where needed, okay, or where required. After that, now today we have done page number 11, which was the last page of this unit 2, and it was lesson 5. That was the Three Little Goats part 2 story ending part, and then we solved exercise 2, which was about true and false. We had to mark true and false, and exercise 3 we had to complete the sentences using our own words. Okay, so this was the ending of unit 2. Okay, Hafsa, can you please unmute your mic and tell me.
Teacher.
Ji bete, if there anything you want to ask me? Yes.
ये first one मैंने नहीं लिखा.
Which one, bete? Of which exercise? From today's exercise?
Exercise 3.
Exercise 3.
3.
Okay, so write it. I am helping you. Okay, I'm reading it for you. The third house did not fall down because you have to write it. It, small letter I. It was, WAS was, it was built, BUILT, built. It was built with, WITH, with bricks, BRICKS, full stop. Okay, I'm repeating it again because you have to write what?
2 रहते हैं और third वाला.
Okay, so have you completed the first one?
First one complete हो गया.
Okay, fine.